Single store provides some built-in JSON system functions as well. The first functions we'll cover are JSON extract and JSON set. We've actually covered both of these functions in detail already because the double colon operators are simply convenient aliases for these functions. When using the double colon operators in a select statement, you are executing the JSON extract function. And when using them in an update statement, you are executing the JSON set function. When using these functions, the first parameter will be the JSON object or column name itself. And following that, a key name or multiple key names will be provided as additional arguments for the key path to the desired value. The type needs to be specified when using these functions. Double for numeric data, equivalent to the double colon % operator. String for any text types, equivalent to the double colon $ operator. And JSON for all valid JavaScript types like arrays or nested objects. Here's an example of interchanging the JSON extract function with the double colon operator. Given the following inserted data, the two select statements below are identical. As you can see in the JSON extract function below, the first argument provided is the column name of properties, and the following argument is the key path to the desired value. Single store also provides some additional JSON array functions as well. For all three of these array functions, the type will need to be specified with double, string, or JSON similar to the functions before. The JSON array contains function simply returns a Boolean for whether the given value exists within the array. The example shows a JSON array contains string example, and we would see this statement return 1 for true, given that the string foo does exist in the array. JSON array push adds the given value to the end of the array. The example shows the numeric value of 1000 being pushed to the end of this particular array. JSON splice deletes elements from the array, but can also optionally insert new values in as well. In the following example, we are given an array of 1, 2, and 3. The second argument of 1 determines at which index in the array to start deleting. And the third argument, which also happens to be a 1, determines how many elements to delete. So in this case, the value of 2 in our array would be deleted. We also provided an additional argument, an array of 777. This value will be spliced into the array at the position we just removed. And lastly, here are some additional system functions that can be helpful when working with JSON data. JSON getType simply returns the type of the value provided. JSON length computes the length of a given JSON object or array. And JSON delete key removes the key value pair with the given key from a JSON object. Another very useful JSON function is the JSON ag function, which, as its name suggests, aggregates data from your table into a JSON object. And because the function is aggregating data, we can always expect just a single row to be returned. So looking at the values in this product table, if we were to select the JSON ag function and provide the description column as the argument, the result will be a single row with each of the values in the description column packaged in a JSON array, as we can see here. The single row is broken up into 2 rows just for visibility, but we can see that what is returned is a JSON array with each value in the column. In addition to using JSON ag on a single column, you can also use the JSON ag function on the entire table, which will return the contents of the entire table in a single, slightly more nested JSON object.